As Omicron numbers climb, the Premier delivered some sobering news.
Sadly, a man in his 70s with COVID-19 has passed away in Joondalup Hospital.
He's only the second person to die in WA after contracting the virus locally. The first was at the start of the pandemic. It's understood the man had underlying health conditions and was not believed to be vaccinated.
Omicron is here, and if you're not fully vaccinated, the virus can find you and it can have tragic consequences.
COVID case numbers have tripled in the past week, but the number of people getting tested has dropped significantly. More than 14,000 people turned up for swabbing on Monday. Thursday's numbers were almost 1/3 of that.
We're encouraging people, if you've been to an exposure site, if you're unwell, if you're showing symptoms, please go and get tested. The PCR clinics are there, but many people, no doubt, are now choosing RAT tests.
The Premier says while measures such as masks are helping to contain the virus spread, tougher restrictions are on the agenda.
Enhanced public health social measures are being considered. As the number of local cases grow, well then you might go further than what we currently have.
There have been no new cases at Junipers Signet Aged Care Home, where 2 staff and 6 residents tested positive earlier this week. Rob Namersnick's mother lives at the facility. He says the situation is being handled well.
I couldn't be happier with the amount of information I've received from them, which is good. It's really allayed our fears, really. It's made us feel quite confident in their actions and their management.
According to the Federal Health Department, all but 2 of the home's 39 residents have received a booster. But across the state, figures are a little lower, with 84.5% of the aged care population having 2 vaccine doses and just over 80% of eligible residents receiving a booster. But Mark McGowan says the Commonwealth isn't moving quickly enough to increase the 3rd dose rate.
It is the Commonwealth's responsibility, but we want to help, and so we've made offers to help.
The state government has pledged to work with aged care homes to run extra clinics where needed. Kean Burke, ABC News.